Assalamu alaikum. In this series, we will discuss about the most repeated board MCQs. In the last video, we discussed up to MCQ number 30. So let's begin now. Number 31. Which of the following structure is present in mitochondria? A. Quantasome. B. Oxysome. C. Polysome. D. Mesosome. So the correct option is oxysome. Oxysome is also called F0, F1 particles or ATP synthase. It helps in the oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria. Number 32. F1 particles or oxysomes are present in A. Chloroplast, B. dictysomes, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus. So the option B is correct answer. 33. Eukaryotic 80S ribosome splits into A. 40S and 30S, B. 60S and 40S, C. 50S and 60S, D. 50S and 30S. The correct option for this MCQ is B, option number B. For further explanation, there are two types of cells, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell contains 80S ribosomes and prokaryotic cell C1TS ribosomes. So in eukaryotic cell, small ribosomal subunit is 40S and larger ribosomal subunit is 60S. So this will form 80S ribosomes. And in prokaryotic cell, small ribosomal subunit is 30S and larger ribosomal subunit is 50S. So this will form 70S ribosome. Number 34. Peroxisomes contain A. Hydrolytic enzymes, B. Transferase enzymes, C. Oxidizing enzymes, D. Isomerase enzymes. The correct option is oxidizing enzymes. 35. ATP, the energy currency of cell, is synthesized in option A. Nucleus, option B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosomes, D. Golgi complex. So the correct option is B. Mitochondria is the organelle in which ATP is produced, which is the currency of energy in living bodies. MCQ number 36. Outermost layer of cell wall is option A. Primary wall, B. Secondary wall, C. Vaccination against smallpox, D. Plasma lemma. So the correct option is this one, A. Number 37. Extranuclear DNA occurs in option A. Peroxisomes and ribosomes, B. Chloroplast and mitochondria, C. Mitochondria and ribosomes, D. Chloroplast and lysosomes. Correct option is chloroplast and mitochondria. These two contains the extranuclear DNA. Number 38. The 80S ribosomes are present in option A. Karyotic cell, which is the correct option, B. Prokaryotic cell, C. Bacterial cell, D. Cyanobacterial cells. The correct option is A. Number 39. The main function of plasma membrane is option A. Store cellular material, B. Control of all cellular activity, C. Maintains the cell shape and size, D. Regulate the flow of material into and outside the cell. So the correct answer is D. Regulate the flow of material into and outside the cell. It is the function of plasma membrane. Number 40. Every living cell has a option A. Chloroplast, B. Cell membrane, C. Cell wall, D. Food vacuole. The correct answer is cell membrane. Number 41. The organelles involved in photorespiration are A. Chloroplast and mitochondria, B. Peroxisome and mitochondria, C. Peroxisome and chloroplast, D. Chloroplast and peroxisomes as well as mitochondria. These three are involved in photorespiration. So the correct option is D. Number 42. The organelles whose major function is storage of hydrolytic enzymes. Option A centrioles, B chromoplast, C lysosomes, D chloroplast. So the correct option is lysosomes. MCQ number 43. The physical basis of life is option A nucleus, B 6 chromosomes, C protoplasm, option D DNA. The physical basis of life is protoplasm. It is the living part. 44. Which of the following organelles is thought to be exceptionally rich in hydrolytic enzymes, also called as suicidal bags? So the correct option is C, which is lysosomes. Option A chromosome, option B phytochrome, option C lysosomes, D microsomes. So the correct option is lysosomes, which are also called suicidal bags and contains hydrolytic enzymes. Therefore, these are called suicidal bags. Number 45. Microfilaments are composed mainly of a protein called option A tubulin, B chitin, C actin, D keratin. So the correct option is actin. Option A tubulin, option B chitin, option C actin, option D keratin. So the correct option is C actin. Polyribosomes or fullisome are aggregations of several ribosomes held together by a string of messenger RNA. So the correct option is D. Option A ribosomes and rDNA, B only rRNA, C peroxisomes, D several ribosomes held together by a string of messenger RNA. So D is the correct option. Number 47. The pattern of organization of cilia and flagella is A 9 plus 0, B 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, D 9 plus 3. So the pattern of organization of cilia and flagella is 9 plus 2. So the correct option is C. Here we have a short description that what does 9 plus 2 means. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the center 1 and 2. So this structure is formed and 9 plus 2 arrangement is made. This is called 9 plus 2 array. 9 plus 2 array. Number 48. The membrane of vacuole is known as option A tophocyst, B tonoplasm, C tonoplast, D thylakoid. So the membrane of vacuole is known as tonoplast. Number 49. Exosomes are present on option A inner membrane of mitochondria, B outer membrane of mitochondria, C thylakoids, D endoplasmic reticulum membrane. So the correct option is inner membrane of mitochondria. And as we have already discussed in previous video, that exosome is also called F0 F1 particle or ATP synthase, which is present in mitochondria. MCQ number 50. F1 particles are also called A dictysomes, B nucleus, C microsomes, D exosomes. So the F1 particles are also called exosomes. Number 51. Which are smallest cell organelles? A lysosome, B ribosome, C spherosome, D glyoxysome. So the correct option is ribosome, which is the smallest organelle of the cell. Number 52. The larger globular protein which project beyond the lipid layer on both sides help to pass water-soluble material through the membrane are integral protein. So in this phospholipid bilayer, we have this protein which is called integral protein. MCQ number 53. Who for the first time proposed cell theory? A. Evray and MacLeod, B. Hershey and Chase, C. Schleiden and Chauvin, D. Bettel and Tatum. So the correct option is C. Schleiden and Chauvin. Number 54. The fluid mosaic model of biological membrane was proposed by option A. Singer and Nicholson, B. Buchner and Buchner, C. Emden and Meyerhoff, D. Watson and Crick. So the correct option is A. Singer and Nicholson. 55. The enzyme that facilitates the transport through membrane is Option A, permease, B, lipase, C, endonuclease, D, ligase. So the correct option is permease. Number 56. The cell recognition and adhesion is facilitated by components of cell membrane. These are generally A, proteins and lipids, B, glycoproteins and glycolipids, C, lipids, D, proteins. So the correct option is B, glycoproteins and glycolipids. Number 57. The thickness of cell membrane is about option A, 200 nanometer, B, 7.5 nanometer, C, 150 nanometer, D, 1 nanometer. So the correct option is 7.9 nanometer. 58. Middle lamella contains option A, lignin, B, suberin, C, calcium pictate, D, calcium phosphate. So the correct option is C, calcium pictate. Middle lamella contains calcium pictate. Middle lamella is a layer that cement together primary walls of cell, and it contains calcium pictate. So for this MCQs, C is the correct option. Number 59. Prokaryotic genetic system contains number A, DNA and histone, B, either DNA or histone, C, DNA but no histones, D, neither DNA nor histones. So the correct option is C. Number 60. Golgi bodies are absent in option A, plants, B, bacteria, C, animals, D, eukaryotic cells. So the correct option is bacteria. Bacteria is prokaryotic cell, so therefore no membrane bound organelles are present in prokaryotic cells like Golgi bodies. 61. Most of the water in mature plant occurs chiefly option A, in the walls, B, in the nucleus, C, in the cytoplasm, D, in vacuole. So the correct option is in vacuole. Most of the water in mature plant cells occur chiefly in vacuole. 62. Glycosomes are abundant in germinating seeds of option A, maize, option B, gram, option C, castor, option D, wheat. So the correct answer is castor. Glycosomes are responsible for glycolate cycle in seeds which have fats. So these fats are converted into carbohydrate. It occurs in more oil containing endosperms of seed like corn, soybean, sunflower, peanut, castor, pumpkins, etc. and etc. So the correct option is castor. Number 63. An example of cell devoid of nuclear membrane and mitochondria is A, protist cell, option B, sperm, option C, spine cell, option D, bacterial cell. So the correct option is bacterial cell.